Now, are you wondering if eBay is still a relevant platform to sell stuff online? Well, you are in luck because we're about to break that down in this episode, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? I'm PJ, and this is Success Through Failure. Now, you clicked on this video because you were wondering, is eBay still relevant? Can you still make a living selling stuff on eBay? Well, the answer is yes, absolutely. Now, I'm going to break down some reasons why right about now, and we are going to start off with some social proof. All right, so this is a screenshot of my eBay account and the activity that I've gotten over the past 31 days. So this is over $12,000 in the past 31 days just selling part-time on eBay. So absolutely, this platform is extremely profitable. And again, this is only part-time. Now, eBay's kind of got the reputation of being an online garage sale, but that's okay. Some people prefer going to garage sales than shopping at like a Walmart or a Target, right? Because they like the hunt, right? They like going searching for deals. And that's where you can get a big percentage of people that don't necessarily want to shop on Amazon because they want to go to the smaller guy. They want to sift through the stuff and find a better deal. And in a lot of people's eyes, eBay is the platform to do that. The other thing is Google search. Now, I've talked about this in previous videos, but I love searchability, right? If you are able to show up in search engines, you can be relevant online, and especially when you're selling stuff, right? So, a lot of times when I'm looking to purchase something, I'll type it into Google, right? Google's my homepage on my internet browser. So when I pull it up, I'll type in what I'm looking for and go over to the little shopping button and pull that down. And a lot of times, eBay listings are showing up. A lot of times people don't want to shop around and find the best price for things. A lot of times they're on the page, they see what they want, so they're just going to press buy from there. So if you're showing up in Google, doesn't matter what platform you're on, you can pull in some traffic and potentially capture some sales. And the last point I'm going to make is Amazon's great for a lot of things, but as a seller, there are certain categories that are gated, which simply means that if you don't have the licensing to sell that product, they won't allow you to sell it. So let's say you have an Iron Man limited edition action figure, but you don't have the licensing from Marvel to sell it. Amazon's not going to let you sell it. But eBay doesn't care about that. So it gives you a lot more flexibility as far as sales. And then just pro tip here. If you have access to, let's say this limited edition Iron Man toy, and you know that most people can't sell this on Amazon without the proper licensing, then a lot of people are going to give up and they're not going to sell that product. But if you know that it's less competition because there are some walls and obstacles in place, then you can really take advantage and make some money selling on the eBay platform opposed to Amazon. So anyway, those are just a handful of reasons why eBay is still absolutely relevant in 2019. If this was at all encouraging and you're sold and you want to start selling stuff on eBay, good luck with that journey, and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be sharing all kinds of different tips and tricks on how to get your listings seen and kind of boost them up higher on the eBay page, and a lot more good stuff. So be sure to subscribe, like this video if it was good for you, and we'll see you next video.